Hey guys, this is Abby and welcome to another episode of my vlog. So for today, kasama ko yung brother ko, si Abel.
Good morning.
And he's going to bring me to the airport. Actually, we're already here at the airport. So I'm gonna tell you where I'm going. So see you later. So guys, nandito na ako sa destination ko and here we are, Siargao! So I'm here in Siargao Island for the Girl Grom and Wahine camp. I'll be one of the facilitators and sobrang happy ko na nandito ako ulit kasi sobrang love na love ko tong island na to. This is my happy island. So just join me or ano mo yung activities ng mga girls. Hey guys, we are here in Burgos in Siargao Island and we have a workshop, an art workshop for the kids of Burgos. So join us as we play with them and as we do some arts and crafts. So nandito ako ngayon sa Siargao for the Girl Grom and Wahine camp. So we had art, dance, and sports workshops for the girls, young girls of Siargao and other girls from different parts of the Philippines. So mga future champion surfers to ng Philippines. Ako naman, I shared to them about body positivity and personal development. Kasi syempre as a young girl, growing up, gusto mo yung maputi ka, sexy ka, etc. And tinuruan ko sila to love themselves. Kasi syempre, growing up, daming insecurities. And as a surfer, your color tends to get dark when you're out there in the water, surfing for hours. But yeah, and I told them that it doesn't matter because as long as they're enjoying and having a great time, it's perfectly fine. And they're beautiful in their own way. So, there. And now, last day ko na. Pero sobrang fulfilled ako sa trip na to. At sobrang enjoy. Kasi ang dami ko naging friends. And also, nakapag-surf ako. Yay! Best part, double purpose. So, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Always remember to keep on being amazing. See ya!